If you are new to the channel, you are welcome to my channel. So this is just the result for the for the market we just took yesterday, using this strategy right here. The strategy that I just shared the settings in the past 2 days. Guys, I told you guys that this strategy is amazing, and I took this trade with you guys in a previous video. I told you guys how much we're going to kill this market, and I showed you guys where we're going to take our take profit one using this strategy right here. So, and I see a lot of you guys requesting for this strategy, but I already uploaded this video already. But you guys maybe they couldn't see it because it's been 2 days or 3 days. Maybe the video it's very far away from it's not easy to be found. So today I'm gonna share with you again the settings for this strategy for the last time, you know what I'm saying, for the last time. So if you didn't catch it, I'm sorry. This is going to be the last time sharing this strategy right here, because you know guys, I'm a strategy provider to provide you guys a different strategies so that everyone can pick one strategy of your choice from my channel. I have different strategies on my channel, but all I can tell, I can say to you guys, all the strategies that you see on this channel, guys, they're amazing. Plus this one, they're amazing strategies. So I'm going to share this strategy for the last time, so make sure you're watching, you keep watching the video. I'm going to share with you for the last time. I'm going to explain how the strategy works in a proper way so that you guys won't have many questions. So you can see guys, that account guys, yesterday we closed it when we will reach 160. Remember, we took this account from $5, 160 US dollars. But now you can see guys, we're in a profit of 53 US dollar profit. This is just my small account. I just took this account from $5 because I was trying to check if I can be able, because some family, they've been asking the question, can I be able to deposit my $5 or $10 into your broker if I use your broker? Then I was like, okay, I've never tried to deposit $5 or $10, but I will try, and then I'll let you guys know, you know what I'm saying? So this is the reason why I deposited $5 in my trading account. Then I was like, okay, let me try this, and then I'll give them the good news. So the good news is you can deposit $5 starting from $10 if you use this broker that I'm using. All right, you can deposit from $10, you know, whatever amount, even $5 you can deposit it. It's up to you, you know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna leave the link below, guys, for this who've been asking the questions. I will leave the link below so that if you wish to use this broker that I'm using, you can go check the link below and open the lead account, and don't forget, join the team. Let's go start making money together, you know what I'm saying? But if you can do this by your own, then you can do it by your own. It's cool, you know what I'm saying? But if you can't do this by your own, don't kill yourself. Join us. Let's show you the light way of trading. Let's make this money together. We do this for a living, right? So let's do this. So let me share the settings for the strategy for the last time with you guys, and make sure you keep watching. And before I share anything with you guys, please give me the thumbs up, and let's begin the video. So straight up, let's click F sign right here. F sign here, click F sign. Boom. After F sign, you're gonna need, first thing first, you're gonna need relative strength index. Find the relative strength index, click on it. The settings for relative strength index is going to be period 10. Apply to close. All right. For pixel, color, make sure you're using this color right here, because this is the recommended one, this one. Okay guys, I keep everything simple so that you guys can understand. All right, because I remember back in the days, yo bro, you following someone but doesn't want to show you everything, you know. It was very sad for sure. So that's why I don't want to do the same shit, man. I just want to show everybody everything in a proper way so that you guys can be able to have this kind of opportunity as well. So all right, so this is the levels. Okay, after you've done this, this is the levels. You're gonna click here by levels, click on it. The level, the first level is going to be level 89.39. Type in right here strong sell. All right, second one is going to be 49.39. type in TP1. All right, and then third, it's going to be 8.13. type in strong sell. So if you are confused about here, you can delete these ones. You can also type in, you know what I'm saying, strong buy. Okay, so the fourth one, it's 16.42. type in entry, and then style for pixel, color must be red, this one right here. Oh shit, must be red, this one right here. After you're done, come back here and then click done. Okay, after you click done, you're gonna come back, you're gonna come back here, and then you're gonna click F sign again. Okay, boom, F sign, and then you're gonna look for MACD. So after you got MACD, clicking inside MACD, I'm gonna give you the settings for MACD. It's going to be first EMA 13, 0 EMA 27, MACD EMA 10, apply to close, main 4 pixel, color must be pink, signal must be 4 pixel, and color must be blue. After you've done this one, you're gonna click here, done. Okay, then you're gonna be here. After you here, yo, we're still moving guys, we're still moving. After you here, you're gonna click again F sign, boom. Then you're gonna find moving average. All right, you're gonna click indicator windows 1 and find moving average, boom. Moving average period 1, shift is 0, method exponential, previous, apply previous indicator data, and then style for pixel, color must be this one right here. I think it's a yellow something, I don't know, but it must be this one right here. So, and then yeah, after you've done everything, click done here, done. And then after you're done, you're gonna come back here and then click F sign again, boom. After that, you're gonna come here at main chart, click main chart, F plus right here, F price, click on it, and then you're gonna look for moving average, and then the moving average is going to be period 200, shift is 0, method exponential, apply to close, and style for pixel color, it's going to be this color right here, same color, and then after that click done. That was the last one. Then your strategy is gonna look something like this, same as mine. This is how your strategy is going to be looking like. So this is going to be quick explanation how to sell, how to buy. Okay, so how to sell, how to buy. First thing first, the moving average that you see on the main chart, this is gonna direct you straight to what type of market are you trading. Is it on uptrend or downtrend? Of course, you can see this is downtrend because you can see the moving average is going on down, you know what I'm saying, which is going, it's a downtrend market. So since we're dealing with the downtrend market, what are we going to be doing? We're going to be setting the currency, all right? So you can see once the market reach level 89.39, this is the strongest sell. You sell the currency and the currency is gonna drop. Your first take profit is going to be this level right here, 49.9039. You can take your profit and go if you want to, or you can wait for the pullback. The market is gonna give you some pullback. It's gonna reject in your profit a little bit. Don't be surprised. And then after that, the market is gonna drop to the level 16.42. It's going to be your take profit, or else 8.18 is your last take profit. But I would recommend you to take your profit at 16.42. I hope you understand, because buying the market, buying the currency, as you can see here, buying a strong buy at this when you want to buy the currency, you buy when the market reach this level 8.18, and then you buy the currency, and it's gonna go all the way up to level 89.39. Your first take profit is this one between right here. Okay, and the other thing you need to see, you see this this broom moving average right here, this one broom moving average, and you can see there's this the moving average, yellow one right here, and blue down here at level 16.14. You can see before you buy the currency, you need to wait this yellow moving average to close over blue moving average, and after the blue moving average close over blue moving average, which the market is going up, then you can enter the currency. And before you buy, make sure you're dealing with uptrend market. Also, you can see this is what you need to see, VOOP, and then you enter after the yellow moving average close over blue moving average. Guys, I hope you get that right. Was that a good explanation? If it was good, please give me the thumbs up, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and join free Telegram group. The link is on description below, and sign up with the broker that I'm using right here, because it's a good one. You know what I'm saying? It's gonna support you in many ways for sure. If you don't have a big capital, still gonna help you to be able to find your account, because others, they don't, you know, they don't allow you to deposit even $50. They tell you like, yo, you must start with $200 in order to start your journey. and they got some big spread. So this is going to be a good broker. Even if you got a small account, it's going to help you, it's going to hold you, it's going to help you do business as well. So peace guys, I'm out. I hope you enjoyed this. Make sure you do the right things, make sure you subscribe and like the video. Comment below for any question, comment below for any question, or you can send me the message on Telegram asking me for a question. If you seem like I'm delaying to answer your comment, you know what I'm saying, sometimes there's too many comments, you know what I'm saying, so you can just send me direct message on Telegram, easy like that. So peace guys, I'm out. Enjoy your day.